Netech Biomedical Defibrillator Analyzers. Our products are used to test the functions of various types of defibrillators to ensure that it performs to the manufacturer's specifications. The Delta 1600 is compact, battery-operated, and easy to use for testing all automated external defibrillators. This device tests semi-automatic and automatic AED, including pulsed and monophasic. The Delta 1600 simulates various cardiac waveforms to ensure that the AED can detect, analyze, and audibly advise shock. Highlight features: compact, lightweight, and easy to use. Ideal for all automated external defibrillators. Auto function eliminates multiple discharges, multiple arrhythmia simulations. The Delta 3300 Defibrillator Transcutaneous Pacemaker Analyzer ensures optimal performance of all defibrillators and pacemakers, offering testing, 12-lead ECG simulations, and routine tracking. Test results can be saved, uploaded to your PC, and printed via Procom print software. Highlight features: test all defibrillators, including AEDs, energy and cardioversion measurement, save and print defibrillator test records, lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Netech products are proudly manufactured in the USA, certified ISO 9001, FDA registered, and come with a 2-year warranty. Netech, serving the biomedical industry worldwide since 1987. Follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook, and visit our website at nettechbiomedical.com.